Thutha wa hahu gutamba itũra-inĩ ria mutomo Kitui ya muhuro ati kuri mundu nyitikite na coronavirus, riu ohoreru ni ucokete thutha wa Raiya umwe kuuma China na uria wigitwo keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 guthimwo na ithimi cikonania ndari na virus ino. Kuringana na riboti kuuma kuri abithaa murugamiriri wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Kitui Richard Muthoka, kiambiriria kia mwaka uyu mu-China ucio aumite guku bururi-ini na agithie gucera bururi wa China, na thutha wake gucoka bururi-ini tariki 16 mweri uyu akiigwo keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2. Ona gutuika abithaa a ugima wa mwiri ni marambite kugirio kuingira haria mundu uyu aigitwo keheri-ini, riboti cia thutha ucio ni ati ni mahotete kumukinyira na ithimi iria mekite shikonania ndari na coronavirus.
And he didn't have any other indicative symptoms to show that he has the coronavirus. And so my appeal to the members of the community is that they need to be calm. They only need to be careful when they're interacting, especially with the people who have come from the hotspots.
Welcome the Minister of Health Office to send their officers to help us for monitoring the isolated staff, and we will keep close communication with the office.
Kambuni ino ya Hydro yugite mundu ucio ndaigitwo keheri-ini ni tondu wa kuonania dariri cia coronavirus, no indi ni njira ya kuiga umenyereri amu acerete bururi wao o riri murimu uyu wihiriire.
And we have agreed with the Chief Engineer Mr. Zeng that any person who is arriving from China, they have to keep track of when they are arriving, who is going to pick them from the airport, where they will be staying for the next 14 days.
As requested by the Chinese embassy and in Kenya and our company headquarters, all the Chinese staff isolated at mutomo campsite must wear face masks and have no contact with others for the sake of public health.
Thutha wa thiku 14 nirio gukumenyekana kinyi kana ari na ugima mwega wa mwiri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.